Hi, I'm Peter Coppens. I'm at Colt, the VP product. So let's look at SD-WAN, one of the fastest growing enterprise networking services of the moment. It's not that old as a service. 6 years ago it was still a very early concept, but the main customer drivers behind it have evolved quickly. At first it was all about cost, replacing MPLS to smaller or exotic sites with plain public internet. Then it moved on to being driven by being much more cloud native. The legacy MPLS provided IPVPNs. They were designed decades ago when cloud had still a completely different meaning, and they were not designed natively to break out locally the traffic to the cloud. And then the focus moved again. It was all about agility, customers wanting more control on their wide area network and near instantaneous activation of parameters. So the time that customers sent a paper order form to their provider and then waited for a few days, they are long gone. Once, of course, customers had tasted from the instantaneous cloud computing model. And then in the past 2 years, the drive moved again. It's much more about security. And this is further accelerated by the massive move these days that we see to work from home. Most of the focus of our customers before the pandemic, when they talked about SD-WAN, it was about connecting their headquarters, their branch sites, their cloud, their data centers, and sometimes their home users. But also sometimes this was not part of the deal and a separate concept. So now this is much more embedded. The massive move to work from home, move to work from anywhere, changed that drastically. Most of the enterprise customers now are in need for scalable, sustainable, long-term solution. And that of course drives also incremental security requirements. In the past we had these perimeter-based architectures with one traffic funneled to a few central security appliances, which worked well for applications hosted in corporate data centers and not too much outside traffic. Of course, today's cloud-centric IT environment is much more mesh-oriented. Security policies are embedded in the SD-WAN service, and they enabled wherever required for an individual user that wants to go to a specific application, rather than being a point solution. At Colt, we are happy to be participating in the MEF Infinite Edge series, focused to the point talks about upcoming topics. I hope you can join us. Thank you.